Let's cook vegetable fried gari with creamy coconut fish sauce. Prep by slicing and dicing onions, peppers, garlic, carrots, and fresh coriander. Put chopped coconut into a blender with a little water and blend away. Pour content into a cheesecloth and strain the milk out of it. Crack eggs into a bowl, beat it up and fry in a pan. Scramble the egg to your preferred style. Now pour some coconut oil into a hot pan and add the diced onions, peppers, carrots, and sweet corn. Add salt, garlic herb seasoning, as well as mixed herbs and chopped coriander. Cover to cook. Mix sesame seed oil with dark soy sauce and pour into the vegetables. Pour some gari into a bowl, sprinkle with some water to soften the grains. Add scrambled eggs into the vegetable and mix everything evenly into the gari. For the sauce, cut up the fish, season with salt, fish spices, and mixed herbs. Add a spoonful of cornstarch and mix into the fish till well coated. Deep fry the fish and collect to cool down. Add butter into low heated pan. Add the chopped garlic, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Pour in the fresh coconut milk and stir gently till it thickens. Add in the chopped coriander and add the fish. Stir and cook for about a minute. Now serve and enjoy. Add the rough.